Hi guys, we're at Carstairs today. Going to record Siren here. So let's hope it works. Standing in the playground right now. Probably going to give me the fright of my life as soon as it goes off. But let's just hope it works. And now it goes all quiet, so it can definitely can't it? All the area. This is going to scare me. Something just fell from it. Oh! Stones just fell. I think I'm going to keep that. It's been inside the Siren yet. That's me keeping that since something fell out of the Siren. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Now this thing did a Raven Struther. It shook the ground just like Raven Struther did. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and that's the Secomak CS8 Siren in the Carstairs Junction. So thanks for watching. It was loud. A bit louder than I thought actually, but yeah, you can see it's got a jammed open shutter, and then this area over here. So sorry guys, I can only do another minute, sorry, but my storage ran out. But yeah, that cable's cut, but I'm glad it put the full test in. So thanks guys for watching, I'll see you in the next video.